Hello guys, welcome back. So you have got your Claude account set up. Now let's actually use it. In this video, we are starting your very first chat from the scratch. I will show you how to open a new chat, where to type, how to write a good first message, and how to read Claude's answer, and how to keep the conversation going. We will also cover attaching files and even talking to Claude instead of typing. It's super easy, so don't worry. By the end, you will be chatting like a pro. So let's get into it. First thing first, opening a chat. When you log in, Claude usually drops you straight onto a fresh chat screen with a friendly, "How can I help you today?" right in the middle. That's your blank canvas ready to go. If you have been chatting already and want to start something fresh, just look for the new chat, usually top left in the sidebar. Click that anytime to begin a clean conversation, and that's really it. There is nothing to set up. A new chat is always one click away. Now let's look at the box where the magic happens, the message box in the middle. This is where you type. A couple of things to notice around it. On the left, there is a plus button. That's for attaching files and photos. We will cover that in a bit. Over on the right, you have got a microphone for speaking instead of typing, and the model picker showing which Claude model you are using. For now, all you really need is the big empty space in the middle. That's where you type your messages. Okay, let's write your first message. This is called a prompt, and it's just you telling Claude what you want. The trick to a great prompt is simple. Be clear and give a little context. Don't just say dinner ideas, say what you actually want. So I will type, "Give me 5 fun, easy dinner ideas I can make in under 30 minutes. See how specific that is. Number of ideas, the vibe, and a time limit. The clearer you are, the better the answer. Don't overthink it though, you can always ask for more. To send, just hit enter or click the send arrow and watch Claude starts typing its answers back in real time right there in the conversation. That's the basic loop. You ask, Claude answers. Take a second to actually read what it gives you. If it nailed it, great. If not, no problem. That's where the back and forth comes in, which we will do next. Here's the bit that makes Claude feel powerful. It remembers what you have been talking about within the chat, so you don't have to start over, you just keep talking. So watch, I will say, turn number 3 into a shopping list. I didn't repeat the recipe. I didn't explain anything. Claude already knows what number 3 is because it's right there in the conversation. So treat it like a back and forth, refine, ask follow-ups, and change direction. That's where the real magic is. Now that plus button on the left, click it and you can attach things to your message, upload a file or a photo from your device, and depending on your setup, even pull something in from cloud storage. So you can hand Claude a document and say, "Summarize this," or a photo and ask, "What is this?" I have got whole videos on working with files and images, but just know anything you attach, Claude can look at and help you with. Don't feel like typing? See that microphone icon on the right of the message box? Tap it and you can just speak your message out loud, and Claude turns your voice into the text. Great for when you're on your phone or you have just got a lot to say and don't want to type it all out. Say your bit and it drops straight into the message box ready to send. A few handy little tools. If you type something wrong or want to change your question, you can hover over your own message and edit it. Claude will redo its answer. And under Claude's responses, you will find quick buttons to copy the answer to paste somewhere else, or ask Claude to try again if you want a different take. Little things, but they make the whole experience smoother. Last thing, when you move on to a totally different topic, start a new chat rather than piling it onto this one. Just hit new chat again. It keeps each conversation focused and whole list tidy. We will go deep on organizing your chats in a later video, but that's the habit. New topic, new chat. Okay, quick tips before we wrap up. First, be clear and specific in your first prompt. Second, keep the conversation going. Follow-ups work because Claude remembers the chat. Third, use the plus button to attach files and photos. Fourth, tap the mic to talk instead of type. And fifth, start a new chat for each new topic to stay organized. And that's your first Claude chat done. You now know how to start a chat, write a good prompt, read the answer, keep the conversation going, attach files, and even talk to the Claude. In the next video, we will look at how to choose the right Claude model so you always get the best results. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a like if this helped. Leave your questions in the comments and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.